It's Friday the 18th of February. It's about 9 o'clock. That's the busy A7 just there. We've pulled off there last night into this place. Oh. It's quite a big campsite. It's old and needs a lot of work doing to it. But it's great for an overnight stop. It's right by the motorway. A bit noisy with the traffic last night. But this is it. That's the reception. And that's what it's called. La Buganvilla. We drove all round it late yesterday afternoon. There's not very many even plots. So we drove right round and ended up right by the entrance. There's Ralph. There's an English couple there living that heap of stuff there. But yeah, this is this sort of avenue after avenue of these. It's quite a big site, but the road's very, very uneven. Exhaust caught a couple of times, as you can see. A lot of people have been going out this morning. I assume it's just a good place for an overnight stop because it's proximity to the motorway. But yeah, there it is. Laters.